Little children want to play, jump and laugh the sunny way. Pitter-patter on the ground, raindrops make a splashing sound. Tiny puddles here and there, boots go splish-splash everywhere. Raincoat, yellow hat so neat, water trickles down the street. Frogs are hopping, birds all hide, let's find shelter safe inside. Rain, rain, soft and sweet, tap your rhythm, skip your beat. Drumming gently on my door, please don't pour and pour and pour. Clouds are gray and sky is dim, sun is hiding, looking grim. Come out soon and light the way, bring us back our bright new day. Rain, rain, hear us sing, we love the flowers you will bring. But when you're done, please drift away, let us run and dance and play. The wind blows soft, the clouds divide, a rainbow spreads both far and wide. Red and yellow, green and blue, a magic smile the sky shines through. Rain, rain, you've had your fun, thank you kindly, now you're done. Leave the grass so fresh and clean, and let the sunshine paint the scene. Now the puddles sparkle bright, birds return and take their flight. Children driggle, skip and cheer, the golden sun is finally here.